In this lecture, we turn directly to students and lifelong learners, secondary school pupils, university undergraduates, polytechnic students, apprentices, and anyone trying to improve their minds. Artificial intelligence is often presented as a threat to learning, a shortcut for lazy people, or a tool that will make human thinking useless. That view is shallow. If it is used wrongly, AI will certainly damage your growth. If used wisely, it can become the most powerful study assistant you have ever had. The question is not whether AI exists, but what kind of student you choose to become in an age of AI. Begin with something simple, understanding difficult concepts. Every learner has faced topics that seem abstract and confusing. Computer programming, machine learning, calculus, organic chemistry, statistics, grammar, constitutional law, or abstract philosophy. An AI assistant can break complex ideas into simpler explanations, provide analogies from daily life, and give multiple versions of the same explanation until it clicks in your mind. You can say, "Explain photosynthesis to me as if I am in JSS 2, or explain confidence intervals using market examples and receive targeted support. This does not replace your textbook. It complements it with clarity and patience that many crowded classrooms cannot provide. Next is practice. Learning is not about listening once, it is about doing many times. AI can generate practice questions for any topic at different difficulty levels. You can ask for 10 easy questions to build confidence, followed by harder ones to stretch yourself. After attempting them on your own, you can request detailed solutions and explanations for the questions you got wrong. In mathematics, physics, economics, programming, and even language learning, this cycle of attempt, feedback, and correction is vital. AI makes it possible to repeat this cycle at any time, without waiting for a teacher to mark scripts. Research and assignments are another area where AI can help, but this is where many students also fall into serious misuse. An AI tool can help you brainstorm essay topics, generate outlines, explain unfamiliar terms, and suggest sources or keywords to search for. It can summarize long academic articles, translate complex passages into simpler language, and help you structure your argument logically. However, if you simply copy AI-generated text and submit it as your own work, you are not being clever. You are sabotaging your own education and risking disciplinary action. Universities and schools are increasingly using tools that detect AI-written content and plagiarism. More importantly, cheating trains your brain to depend on others forever. The wise approach is, use AI to clarify, structure, and refine, but write your own words, think your own thoughts, and always check facts against reliable sources. Time management and organization are often neglected skills that determine academic success. AI can help you create realistic study schedules, breaking a large syllabus into daily tasks. You can provide your exam date, list of topics, and available hours, then ask for a weekly plan. You can also ask the system to suggest how to balance schoolwork with part-time jobs, family duties, and rest. Over time, you can adjust the plan as you learn what works. This kind of personalized planning is something many students never receive formally, yet it separates serious learners from those who always cram to pass. Creativity is another surprising area where AI can assist students. Whether you are working on a science project, a piece of creative writing, a business idea, or a design assignment, AI can help you generate and refine ideas. It can suggest possible project titles, propose experiments, outline business models, or brainstorm plot twists for a story. It can help you draft presentation slides, design simple logos, and outline scripts for class debates or drama. However, creativity requires selection and judgment. AI may propose 15 ideas. You must choose one that is meaningful in your context, improve it with your own insight, and then do the real work of implementation. Language barriers are a quiet enemy of many African students. AI translation and grammar tools can help you move between English and local languages, correct mistakes, and expand your vocabulary. This is especially valuable for students who think clearly but struggle to express themselves in formal English or French. Again, the goal is not to hide behind AI, but to learn from it, observe the corrections, ask why they were made, and gradually improve your own command of the language. There are, of course, dangers. Excessive dependence on AI can weaken your memory, critical thinking, and problem-solving ability if you let it do all the heavy lifting. Absolute trust in AI answers can lead to confidently believing false information. Exposure to endless digital content can also waste your time and attention if you lack discipline. The responsible student sets boundaries. Use AI for explanation, practice, planning, and feedback. But always think, verify, and attempt problems yourself first. The central message is straightforward. AI will divide students into two groups. On one side are those who use it as a crutch to avoid effort and end up shallow, unskilled, and easily replaceable. On the other side are those who use it as a tool to deepen understanding, sharpen skills, and accelerate growth. In an African context where educational resources are often scarce, AI offers a rare chance to put a flexible, patient tutor in every student's pocket. The choice is yours. Will you let AI make you weaker, or will you use it to become the kind of learner the future cannot easily ignore? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening.